ready to unleash the power of real-time automation without spending a dime. Let's dive into how you can create webhooks in Zapier's free plan first. Click the Create Zap button. This will take you to the Zap editor. Now, search for Webhook. In the trigger search bar, select Webhooks by Zapier from the search results. Choose Catch Hook as your trigger event. This is the most common and useful option for receiving data from other applications. Then, hit Continue. Zapier will now generate a unique webhook URL. Copy this URL. This is the address where your external application will send data. Head over to your external application, the one that sends real-time data, and paste the Zapier webhook URL into its webhook configuration settings. Back in Zapier, click Test Trigger. Zapier will look for recent data submission to the webhook URL. You may need to trigger an event in your external application to send some sample data. If the test is successful, Zapier will display the data received. If not, double-check your webhook URL in the external application and ensure data is being sent. Now, connect your trigger to any desired action app, such as Google Sheets or Slack, to complete your automation workflow.